Have you ever wondered how you can earn money online by promoting products without ever showing your face on camera? Today, we'll explore how to promote ClickBank products effectively while maintaining anonymity. Whether you're camera shy or just prefer to keep a low profile, this beginner tutorial will guide you through some effective methods that require neither a face reveal nor a large budget. So, what exactly is ClickBank? ClickBank is a popular online marketplace that connects product creators with affiliate marketers who want to earn commissions by promoting these products. With thousands of products across diverse niches, there's something for everyone. The beauty of ClickBank is its simplicity. Signing up is free, and you'll have access to a plethora of resources and products you can promote from anywhere in the world. Now let's delve into the art of promoting these products without putting yourself front and center. The first method on our list is blogging. Blogging allows you to create valuable content that attracts readers who are interested in your niche. By writing insightful articles that touch on problems and solutions relevant to your audience, you can seamlessly integrate affiliate links. The key here is authenticity. Ensure your content is genuinely helpful and your product recommendations are honest. Another great avenue is social media. Platforms like Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn cater to different audiences and allow you to share content without ever needing to appear on camera. Pinterest, for example, is a visual search engine where you can create pins that link back to your blog or directly to ClickBank product pages. By crafting eye-catching, informative pins, you can drive traffic effectively. Similarly, Twitter and LinkedIn can be used to share content, engage in conversations, and establish authority within your niche. Next, consider starting a podcast. If you enjoy talking about topics in your niche, a podcast might be the perfect solution for you. This platform allows you to delve deeply into subjects your audience cares about, and you can recommend products naturally throughout the conversation. Podcasts have a growing audience, and with the right topics and effective promotion strategies, you can easily attract listeners who trust your recommendations. Now, let's not forget about email marketing. Building an email list gives you the opportunity to directly communicate with your audience. You can offer lead magnets such as ebooks or exclusive content to gather subscribers. Once you have a list, you can send out newsletters with tailored content and product recommendations. The power of email marketing lies in its personal touch and the direct connection it creates with potential buyers. One effective, but often overlooked, method is creating whiteboard animation videos. These videos are engaging and educational, allowing you to explain the benefits of the products without appearing on camera. There are several tools available that make creating animations a breeze, even for beginners. These animations, when hosted on platforms like YouTube, can attract significant traffic to your affiliate links. As we bring this tutorial to a close, remember, the key to success when promoting ClickBank products without showing your face is to focus on building trust with your audience. Provide value, be authentic in your communications, and ensure that any product you recommend genuinely benefits your audience. Building strong relationships will increase your chances of success significantly. Test different methods, analyze your results, and adapt your strategies accordingly. So whether you're blogging, pinning, podcasting, or creating animations, there are countless opportunities waiting for you to explore. The internet is a vast playground, and with these tactics under your belt, you're ready to start earning with ClickBank. Remember, anonymity is no barrier to success in affiliate marketing. Now go out there and start promoting. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.